Are you looking for the best air purifier for viruses and bacteria? If so, this video is for you. We'll go over the top air purifiers for germs that can keep your indoor air safe and healthy to breathe. So keep watching. If you want an air purifier for virus and bacteria control, then the following recommendations are going to be your top choices. And while each unit operates a bit differently to eliminate microorganisms and pathogens, you can rest assured that these devices are the best air purifiers for germs you can buy today. As always, you'll find links for these air purifiers and more in the description below. So just choose the one that's right for you. Now, let's get started. Number 1 is by Airfree. These air purifiers include a patented thermodynamic sterilizing system to kill bacteria and viruses with extreme heat. There are no filters to replace, and it's completely silent. They also come in various sizes to meet your room size needs and budget. If you want 100% effectiveness in destroying microorganisms with zero maintenance cost, then an Airfree Air Purifier is what you need. Number 2 is by SilverOnyx. This unit has a 5-stage air filtration system that includes an ultraviolet light for destroying airborne germs. The UV light disrupts the DNA structure of bacteria and viruses so they become harmless to your health. It's good for large rooms up to 500 square feet and is very affordable. Number 3 is by Alen. These air purifiers can be customized with a silver-infused HEPA filter. The silver nanoparticles in this filter are an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agent. The units come in a variety of sizes, and you can change the front panel color to meet your personal style. Now, if you have any questions about these air purifiers, leave a comment below and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching!